Hi, and welcome to WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery, located in the Center Business District of Sparta, New Jersey. We opened our doors in 2017 to provide you and your dogs the ultimate shopping experience. With open arms, we welcome you into our store filled with freshly made treats and items that you will not find in a typical box store. From our fresh bakery to our seasonal items year-round, this is something for both you and your four-legged ones to leave happy with. We hope to see you soon, Chris and Toby. Hi everyone, welcome back to another easy do-it-yourself dog treat video from WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today, since we're getting closer to Thanksgiving, we're going to do a little bit of a turkey-themed do-it-yourself dog treat today. We're going to do turkey bacon. So grab your four-legged ones, grab a few items from the kitchen, grab your notepad, and we are going to do these guys. So we're super excited. They are a fan favorite at the store, and let's get started. Here's a list of everything that you'll need for today's video on the do-it-yourself turkey bacon dog treats. We're going to go ahead and open our pre-cooked bacon package and go ahead and put that in your blender. Make sure your blender has a pulse option for about 5 to 10 seconds or until well blended, and then turn off. We're going to go ahead and get our measuring cup for our flour. We're going to be doing 2.5 cups of your choice of flour into our mixing bowl. Next, we're going to grab our measuring cup, our 1/3 cup, grab our turkey broth, and we're going to go ahead and fill it up twice and pour it into our batter with the flour. Now let's grab our 1/2 tablespoon for the bacon that we blended up. We're going to go ahead and grab a scoop and put that right in the mix. Our next tool, we're going to need our tablespoon, and we're going to do 6 tablespoons of our vegetable oil and go ahead and pour that in the mix. Now that we have all our ingredients in our mixing bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix it up really well. If it's a little dry, I would just add a little bit more of the turkey broth. And if it's too moist and wet, you can go ahead and add more flour. We're going to go ahead and put it on our baking tray. And we're going to end up doing a few more just because of the quantity at the store. Now that we have our batches ready, and yours as well, we're going to go ahead and grab our cookie cutter of choice. We're doing a multi-press just to make things speed up and go quicker. We're going to go ahead and get our mixing board. We're going to grab an extra container of flour to pour on. Flour is your friend, so we don't want anything sticking to the rolling pin. And we're going to go ahead and just mix that in really well with the flour before we start to roll out. All our cookies are now ready to be put in the oven. We're going to go ahead and turn on the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to cook time of approximately 20 minutes. And once the oven timer is done, turn off the oven and let them dry out. That way they have a longer shelf life. It's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look at these. They look nice and browned. We're going to open it up, and as long as the cookies are nice and hard, you're set for enjoyment. Let them cool off for a little bit, and if they're soft, you can preheat the oven again to 350. Turn them back off the oven and leave the cookies in for a few hours to dry them out extra. And for the most important part of the video is the test.